In this video, I'll guide you through how to set app security, publish your app, and create a record. We'll explore how to set up security and publish your app to ensure it is accessible from Workspace. From here, we will create a record so you can see how your app looks from a user's perspective. When starting, please ensure you have Workspace and App Studio open in separate tabs for your sandbox. First of all, we will be setting app security, which dictates which users and teams can see your app, records in the app, and edit the app from App Studio. Go to the Publish folder and open the Security section. App visibility dictates whether a user or team can see the app in Workspace. This means that any users or teams that are not in this section will not see the app in their launchpad. The hidden toggle will automatically be turned on, so click it off to unhide your app. Add in Softools to the Visible by Team section, which will mean that Softools users can access your app to then be able to give you your ABC Basic certification, and also offer support if you need it. Then add in your own user to the Visible by User section, which will mean that you can access your app. Now you have set access to see your app. Default record access rights determine which teams can see records in your app. Read-only access rights means that the teams in this section will be able to see all records created in the app after this has been set, but will not be able to edit them. Leave this blank for now. Full access rights means that the teams in this section will be able to see all records created in the app after this has been set, and will be able to edit them. Click the toggle for full for all teams. This will mean that Softools and yourself will have full access to the records. App edit access rights determine which teams and users can edit the app in App Studio. Add in Softools to the Editable by Team section so that we can see your app and help you if you need it. Then add in your own user to the Editable by User section. Ensure that your screen looks similar to this one, but with your own user. Now you can click Save. You have now set security for your app. Click on the Publish section in App Studio, which will take you to this screen. Open up the first template labeled App Build Checklist. This section shows you the required configuration before you can publish the app. You will see 7 items on the checklist. You should see the same screen, with the only amber item being the title field. This is not a requirement, but the others are. If any of the others are red, please click on the red item and then set the correct configuration. When this is done, click on the Publish Version button. And this will show you a Publish Notes screen. We recommend to add in notes here so that you can see the changes in the app that were previously done. I have added a short note. When you have done this, you can click OK. You have now published your app. You have created and published your app. Congratulations! You will now need to open your Workspace to see your app, which can be done from App Studio. There is a button to open Workspace in a new tab at the top of App Studio, from inside the app, or from the homepage of App Studio. When you have done this, if you are already logged in, you will need to log out and back in again. You have added a new app, and this is a site-wide change rather than an app-level change. You will see the home screen where you can click the Launchpad here to show the available apps on your site. When you see the app, click on this to open it up. You will see the table report you created. Click on the New Record button to create a record. This will take you to a new screen with a blank record like this. This is your template, and you will see that the title field has a red line underneath. This signals that the field is required, and so you need to put in data for the record to be created and saved. Add in a title for this example. I have used App Market. Then click off the field, and you will see a message saying, Record created. Now go through and fill out the rest of the fields. You have now created your first record in your app. Thanks for watching.